guys, today I'm going to prank Nathan, my cousin. So he's watching there, over there. Wait. He's over there dancing and watching. Hey Nathan, hey Nathan!
Hey, what?
You don't have a brain.
Hey, get over here! Get over! Get over! Get over!
Ouch! Oh my gosh. That hurts. Oh, look at that. That hurts. Stop it!
Get over here!
Ouch! That hurts.